Everyone. So today we will see like how to install Pycharm on Windows and how to write Python code inside that and also how to execute the Python code inside the Pycharm. So let's install. So go to the first link, download it. It will take some time to get download. It's downloaded now. So just click on this. Install this. Next. Now click on the finish. So our Pycharm is installed on the system. We can check by typing Pycharm. Open this. Just continue this. Here, so we have like this Pycharm is open. So let's click on the new project. Here we can give the path for the where we can store our Python files. And we also need to give the interpreter path, that is the Python path. So here I am making use of the Python which I've already installed. So you can refer my previous video for installing the Python and setting the Python variable. So while installing the Anaconda only, I have set the Python environment path. So I will create the project. So here we can see the Python project is created. So under this project, you can create files. So after here in the new, you can create a Python file. You can give, suppose, take an example of addition of two numbers. So we can see that .py file has been created. So now take an example of addition of two numbers. So a is 2, b is also equal to 3, and I will print addition of these two numbers. Now how to execute the Python code in Pycharm. Go to Python console. Yeah, click Python and this addition file, addition.py. When you enter, you can see that 5 is getting printed. So this is what the output of these two variables. Thanks for watching.